This is your City of Detroit News Brief. Joined by a coalition of city, community, and business leaders, Mayor Mike Duggan kicked off this year's Angels Night volunteer recruitment campaign at the city's Public Safety Center in Southwest Detroit.
The day will come when the city of Detroit doesn't need Angels Night. When we have gotten through this city and removed the blight and the thousands of abandoned houses, and this kind of an effort will not be necessary. But today, we still have to stay vigilant.
This year's Angels Night campaign includes several ways in which volunteers can get involved. Watch Your Block Patrol program, Adopt a House program, Porch Light program, and Eyes and Ears program. For more information or to volunteer, visit www.angelsnight.org or call 313-224-4415. Stay tuned to Channel 10 for all your updates on the City of Detroit.